Not really, actually a rail fan that's kind of suddenly being recruited by 2 different railroads.
Really?
Yep. If you count here. Catskill Mountain down in Phoenicia is also trying to recruit me as a volunteer.
Well, that's good. You live close by. Any railroad you volunteer for is going to be a good thing.
Yeah.
You got to keep the railroads going.
Yeah. And then you see idiots pull out in front of the gates.
Down and clear.
Good iron.
Yep. I wasn't sure if he was going to back up or keep going.
That's got to make your heart skip a beat when you see things like that.
Oh yeah. We get them all the time.
Of course, I'd be more concerned if you're going down the road at like, 40 miles an hour with a full freight train behind, you know, full load of freight behind you, but even so. I just noticed this thing's got a the short hood in the front here is one of the tall ones.
Yeah.
Yep.
You don't see very many of those around these days.
Well, they're still around.
About the only place I've seen them is Guilford, Pan Am Railway, down our way.